Mabuhay from the beautiful city of Manila. I'm back with for the channel Fragrance RX, and today I'll be reviewing a fragrance from the house of Versace. It's none other than Versace Eros. So stay tuned. Versace Eros was released in 2012, and the nose behind this fragrance is Aurel and Guichard. And for the nose we have the following. On the top we have mint, green apple, and lemon. On the middle we have tonka bean, geranium, and ambroxan. And on the base we have Madagascar vanilla, vetiver, oak moss, Virginia cedar, and Atlas cedar. And before anything else, let's start first with the presentation. For the presentation of Versace Eros, first of all, it comes in two sizes, 50ml and 100ml. Now this is the box. I have here the 3 pieces gift set, and it is covered with this plastic covering right here. And if we remove it, this is the box. Now in front we have here Versace Eros, and this is the trophy. It comes in this very elegant box design, very elegant guys. It is in color blue like the bottle itself. Now at the back we can see here the contents of the box. Now this is the toiletry bag, this is the perfume itself, and this is the shower gel. Now on top we can see here Versace there, also at the bottom of the box, and also at the sides as you can see here Versace and Versace. Now when we open the box, it will look something like this. We will see that the bag is inside there, and this is the bag. I already removed the bottle, so this is the bag. It says here Versace Parfums right there. Now I don't have the shower gel, unfortunately. When I bought this gift set, I only have the toiletry bag and this fragrance right here. By the way, I got this fragrance for only $20 US, 1,000 pesos. So I got this for a very steal price. Now for the bottle itself, in front we can see here Versace Eros, the Medusa head, and it comes in this very intricate design, bottle design guys. Very elegant bottle design. Also at the back, can you see this design guys? Very elegant design. And at the bottom we can see here the batch code and the number of milliliters right there. Now my batch is a 2015 batch, and the cap also has a very elegant design. As you can see here, the Medusa head, very engraved intricately, very good design guys. And you can see here inside, I don't know if you can see it guys, but inside the cap you should see the Medusa head engraved as well. Now for the sprayer, it comes in this gold sprayer. Be very careful of the fakes out there because they copied this Versace Eros already. And the locking mechanism should be here near the nozzle, here near the nozzle, not under the nozzle, near the bottle. It should be near the sprayer, near the nozzle right there. And for the sprayer, it sprays something like this. It sprays a big amount of mist, and that's for the presentation of Versace Eros. For the opening of Versace Eros, wow, this fragrance opens up with this very sweet, bubblegummy, minty vibe, and I was immediately reminded of these fragrances, Jean-Paul Gaultier's Superman and Popeye, as well as Jean-Paul Gaultier's In the Navy and 1 Million. Now these 3 fragrances right here produces the bubblegummy vibe, and the powdery vibe is due to this Paco Rabanne's 1 Million. Now the combination of these 4 fragrances right here equals to Versace Eros. For the middle part of this fragrance, I've sprayed Versace Eros about 30 minutes ago here on my right hand. And yes, nothing much going on. It's still the same. What you sprayed, what you get in the initial opening, you still get that very powdery, minty, bubblegummy vibe in the middle part of this fragrance. And for the base of this fragrance, the bubblegummy vibe is gone, leaving us with this very sweet, powdery vanilla dry down, very much similar with Paco Rabanne's 1 Million. Now, very powdery, dry down because of the tonka bean, and very sweet because of the vanilla. So for the development of this fragrance, it opens up with this blast of sweet, bubblegummy minty vibe, and that stays the same up to the middle part of this fragrance. And at the base, the bubblegummy vibe is gone, and we are now left with this tonka bean vanilla combination, making this a sweet, powdery vanilla dry down. Now who should wear this fragrance? Young kids up to the grown-ups can wear this Versace Eros. It's a very playful scent, so these young kids will be able to rock this fragrance. And when can you wear this fragrance? Anytime, anywhere, any place, any season. In short, it's a very versatile scent, but I suggest you wear this in a cooler environment, temperature controlled environment, and just be careful with the sprayer, just be careful with the trigger when it is very hot especially in the summer season. Here in the Philippines, I suggest be careful with the trigger because you might cloy everyone, you might kill everyone that's in the room when it is very hot, especially here in the Philippines, it's very hot. So just be careful with the trigger. But generally, this one is a very versatile scent for me. You can wear this fragrance casually, you can wear this at work, you can wear this at school, you can wear this in the club. But I won't suggest that you wear this as a date scent because there are other guys already wearing Versace Eros. It's a very popular scent, so you might be reminded of your date's ex-boyfriend or your date's dad or grandpa. That's how popular this Versace Eros is. So I won't suggest this one as a date scent because it's a fairly common scent already. Now, how many sprays should you wear this Versace Eros? Just 3 sprays, guys. 2 behind the ears and 1 behind the neck, and that's it. You're good to go. It's a very projecting scent. It will last you a day. So just 3 sprays is enough to get you all throughout the day. Let's go now and rate Versace Eros. Now for the scent, I will rate this one an 8 out of 10 because guys, I really like that sweet, bubblegummy, minty vibe that this Versace Eros has to offer. In fact, I recently reviewed the whole Jean Paul Gaultier Limal collection, and the one that stood out in my Jean Paul Gaultier Limal collection video are these 2 fragrances right here, Jean Paul Gaultier Popeye and Jean Paul Gaultier Superman, because of that bubblegummy minty vibe. For the uniqueness of this fragrance, I will rate this one a 7 out of 10 because guys, this fragrance is not that unique anymore. Many people will be wearing this Versace Eros because this one is a very popular scent, so I won't really recommend this as a date scent at all. For the projection of this fragrance, I will rate this one a 10 out of 10 because guys, this fragrance projects on my skin for about 4 to 5 hours. And for the performance, I will rate this one a perfect 10 out of 10 as well because guys, this fragrance lasts on my skin for a very long time, guys. 12 hours plus. And I have a 2015 batch. I think this Versace Eros has been reformulated already. I've read articles and Fragrantica reviews and base notes reviews that this fragrance has been reformulated already. But in my experience, what I have here is a 2015 bottle, and this fragrance lasts on my skin for a very long time. So I guess it has something to do with the reformulation already. So if possible, you get the older batches of Versace Eros. And for the CH, I will rate this one a perfect 10 out of 10 because guys, this fragrance leaves a massive scent trail. It will literally fill up the whole room. People will know your presence. People will know you just passed by. So for my overall rating of Versace Eros, I will rate this one a 9 out of 10. The final question is Versace Eros prescription worthy? Definitely yes. Guys, I will still prescribe this Versace Eros this 2020 because this fragrance is a really good smelling fragrance. That minty, bubblegummy combination really works wonders, and this fragrance will last on your skin. This will project a lot. Even if you have the newer batches, it will still get the job done. No wonder this fragrance is a mass appealing scent. People love Versace Eros. Women love Versace Eros. If you spray this in the club, you'll definitely attract women. This fragrance smells wonderful. This fragrance has the projection, this fragrance has the performance, and has the sillage. So what can you ask for more? It is also considered a clubbing scent, oftentimes compared with this Jean Paul Gaultier's Ultramall. I get it, they both have this very sweet, playful scents, but this Jean Paul Gaultier Ultramall is very cloyingly sweet, unlike this Versace Eros, which you can use as a perfect casual scent, office scent, and school scent. So if you're just looking for a perfect signature scent which will get you the job done at a cheap price, then this fragrance is the one for you. Don't worry much about the reformulation of this Versace Eros. If you really love the scent, just bring a decant. You can bring it to work, you can bring it at school, you can bring it to the office. Just bring a 5 ml decant and just respray throughout the day, and that's it. You're good to go. Never miss out on a fragrance that you like or love just because of reformulation issues. But if possible, get the older batches of Versace Eros. If you have the recent batches of Versace Eros, don't worry. Just bring a decant and just respray all throughout the day. You heard my review. Now what are your thoughts with regards to this fragrance? Versace Eros. Do you own this bottle? What other Versace fragrances do you have in your collection? Which one is your favorite? Again, leave your comments down below and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Fragrance RX. Again, this is Wedson for the channel Fragrance RX, your fragrance doctor. See you in the next video. Have a nice day and stay fragrant!